Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on setting up your payroll process in uKnowva HRMS. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to activate and configure payroll settings to ensure a smooth and compliant salary management system for your organization. The Set Payroll Process menu allows you to configure payroll policies and procedures. This ensures that salary structures, deductions, and declarations are set up accurately based on your organizational and legal requirements. Now, let's move on to activating payroll in your instance. To activate payroll, navigate to the Set Payroll Process menu and look for the option, "Do you want to enable payroll management?" You'll see a toggle button right in front of it. Click on it to enable the payroll feature. Once activated, several payroll configuration options will unlock. These allow you to set payroll structures, assign CTC values to employees, and manage pay scales efficiently. If you're not ready to configure payroll just yet, you can skip this section and return later whenever you're ready. Next, let's configure the salary setup. You'll see a prompt titled, "Do you want to keep the default salary setup?" If you prefer the system's pre-configured settings that align with standard payroll processes, select Yes, use default salary setup. If you need to customize salary structures, select No, configure salary setup. Now, let's explore the customization options. The first setting asks, "Do you want to add leaves data in payout sheet?" If you choose No, leave data won't be factored into salary payouts. If you choose Yes, leave-related information will be included in the payout calculations. The next setting is, "Do you want to add salary structure data in payout sheet?" Selecting Yes will add salary structure details, ensuring a complete breakdown of payout components. Selecting No will exclude this information from the payout sheet. You must also define the default currency for payroll calculations. If your organization operates in India, you can select INR. This ensures consistency across payroll figures. Next, choose a letter template to format employee payslips. This determines how the payslips will appear and what details they include. You can also decide how payslips are distributed. If you choose Yes for the Send Payslips to Employees via Email option, payslips will be sent automatically after payroll processing. If you choose No, you'll need to distribute them manually. Lastly, set the payroll auto-lock date. This marks the deadline for any payroll changes. Once this date passes, no further modifications will be allowed, ensuring accuracy in final payroll processing. After finalizing your selections, click Confirm and proceed to save your payroll settings. And that's it. Your payroll process is now activated and configured as per your organization's requirements. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.